So guys, this video has gotten 500 views. Okay, as you guys can see here, 500 views. Okay, so you can see it here, right? And this video is a 10-minute video. So let's talk about how much YouTube pay me for 500 view video. And this video was uploaded 3 days ago, right? This video was uploaded 4 days ago. Okay, so let's talk about how much YouTube pay me. It is well. Anyways, I'll go to my screen record. So my screen record is all started, and this is the video, and it was a video I did about how much YouTube pay for 16,000 views, right? And then this is the video. Now let's go to the analytics of this video. Now if you click on this video, you can see that this video has gotten 521 views. Okay, and you can see how viewers actually found this. So let's go to the reach. So from the reach, you can see that the impression on this particular video is 5.2k impression. And then you can see how viewers found this video: browse features, notification, channel page, other YouTube feature. And you can see external, not enough data to show, report. You can see the YouTube search term, Vibe with Sonia, Bigo Life, and then Capcore, blah, blah, blah. And then if we go to the engagement of this video, you can see that this video has 22.7 watch time, and of which is a good one. Audience retention 2 minutes. So for a 10-minute video, to everyone that clicked, 2 minutes 36 seconds. And then if you go to the audience of this particular video, which is very, very important, which is one of the key things, you can see that unique viewer is 438 views. And you can see here audience by watch behavior. For new, you can see the percentage here for casual, and then you can see for regular. Okay, now if you go to how viewers found this video, you can see it here. All of these are my videos, and that's one thing I'm grateful about, that my videos are actually suggesting other videos, right? Now you can see the device watching: mobile, computer, TV, and tablet. And the age, you can see 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and then 35 to 44. You can see the genders, which is one thing I'm grateful for, which is male and female. And then you can see the top geographicals that are actually watching this video: Nigerian, United States, and United Kingdom, and of which I'm grateful for this. And you can see subscribe and not subscribe, blah, blah, blah. But now let's go back to the reach, because there's something I want to show you guys. If you check in this particular video, YouTube is not recommending this video, and YouTube is not recommending this video because, yes, my channel is on strike, so YouTube did not recommend this. So basically, where these particular views are coming from, bang, 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 is from browse features, notifications, channel page, other YouTube features, and then others. So this is like a punishment to me that my channel is on strike, right? But anyways, we move. So let's go to the revenue of this particular video. Despite the fact that YouTube did not suggest this video, we have $1.10, which is watch paid ads, and YouTube Premium is just 0.3%. You can see revenue per 1K view is what, 2.17. And then if you check how advertisers found this video, how much advertisers are paying, $3.52. And yeah, this is capable display, bumper, and the rest. So for a video of just 500 views, I was still able to make $1.10. Okay, so let me stop the screen record. Now you see how much I've been able to make, despite the fact that YouTube is actually not suggesting this particular video, right? And that's why I will always applaud you, that be updated and keep your channel safe. Okay, and to be honest, let's put this to Facebook or TikTok, which is UK TikTok account. YouTube pays better. You understand? Despite the fact they are not recommending my videos, YouTube is still paying. You get my point, what I'm trying to say? Because I see people on Facebook saying they have 1 million views and they can't even get up to $10. 500 views, they can't even get up to $5. And when I see it, I'll be like, is the struggle on even Facebook worth it? I'm not saying people are not making money. People are making money. Like Facebook, you make money very well when your name is well known. But the beautiful part about YouTube is, no matter how little you are getting your views, you're still getting something. And that is why if you check, despite the fact that YouTube is not recommending my videos, I still do not give up in posting content. Because at all a winch, I see they meet up my threshold. You get what I'm trying to say? So, but in all, so that your channel can actually be safe, please do your possible best and always be updated with the YouTube rules and regulation. For those ones, I'll be like, oh, I didn't even know that your channel is on strike. I did a video about it, so you can actually check out for that video, and so that you can see why my channel is on strike. And yeah, anyways, one thing I'll keep telling you is, as a content creator on YouTube, you get to make money. Even if it's just 1 cent, even if it's just 10 cents, even if it's just 3 million, 10 million, you are making money. So do not give up on your content. Your channel might not be getting recommendation yet, either due to maybe you have a strike as well, or your channel is shadow banned, or 1 or 2 things might have actually limited your channel. But still, do not give up on YouTube. Just keep doing what you know how to do best. Keep pulling out your content, and definitely you are going to be getting something out of it. So if I'm not giving up, you should not give up as well. You understand? And I hope this video is actually able to encourage someone anyways that is looking for how much YouTube pay for 500 views or less than 1,000 views. I hope this video is able to help every single individual out there. Anyways, one thing I will tell you guys again is, if you want me to actually check your channel for reviews, this is where I personally go into trying to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. So basically what we do is, me and you do it together. And I see people be like, oh, Sonia, yes, please just check my channel to see if I'm even doing the right thing, if I'm not doing the right thing, what am I really doing wrong? See, I'm the only person that can do that for you. Do you know why I said that? I've been through all threats of YouTube. Like, I've been demonetized, I've been monetized, I've been like a lot. You understand? I don't even need to start mentioning it back to back. Anyways, check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, and also this mail that you're seeing displaying on my screen here, fetishna3195@gmail.com. Send us a mail and thank me later. Anyways, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.